making slime. It's my time with Aubree. It is my birthday gift, cause I got it because I turned 8 years old. Now let's try it. It's called Milky Crunch Cereal Slime Kit. This box and see what's inside. Wow! Look what we got! And this was in the box, so let's read it. This is cream lotion, slime activator, clear glue, white glue, bow, cereal. Here are the ingredients, and I got a spoon and a measuring cup. One time with Aubree! First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the clear glue inside the measuring cup. Inside the bowl. Pour the white glue in the measuring cup and then put it in there. Let's do it. Put some music on. Dun, 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 dun. Next, we're gonna pour the white glue. Then we're gonna put the cream lotion and put it in 5 dips. Ta-da! Now let's dip the 5. This smells like fresh milk scent because we're gonna dip it in. Let's do it. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! It's time to stir, but let's get some slime activator. Okay, guys, it's time to stir. We gotta count to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Guys, we're done stirring. Now we have to take it with our hands. So stretch it out. Oh. We had to do is stretch it. It's really sticky, you guys. You take the whole thing out. I'm gonna take the whole thing out. Now let's stretch it. Good thing you guys are not doing this, because if your parents could have said, yeah, that's fine, but I'm doing this. Thank you, Callie. Making a mess. Help! Get some towels now. Okay, guys, you saw that big mess. My mom told me I can't play with it, but I can play with it in the bowl. But now I'm gonna pour the cereal.
Okay, that's enough.
Now the cereal's in the bowl. Now let's stir it. It's so good, you guys, and I can play with it. Oh, you got one on your arm. Now the slime button. This is awesome. If you guys want to do more, you can. You can go to Amazon, or if it's your birthday, happy birthday. Okay, guys, we are done making Milky Crunchy Cereal Slime.